Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the email link to your Apple Store account on your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and tap on settings. That's the gray icon with letter gears. Once you're on your settings, at the top of settings, tap on your profile, picture and name. This opens your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on sign in and security. From here, you can edit your email ID or your number. Tap on add email address, then type in the new email you want to use. Tap next. Apple will send a verification code to that email. Go to your email inbox, find the verification email from Apple and enter the code on your phone. This confirms your new email address. Once verified, your Apple ID email is updated. All future purchase and account notification will go to your new email. And that's it. You have successfully changed the email link to your Apple Store account on iPhone. It's super easy and safe. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.